have a ticket to the show.
She doesn't have a ticket to take it to the show. She doesn't have a ticket. She didn't want to go. She doesn't have a ticket. She didn't want to go. She did not want me to know. They would wave their hands that way. They would shake their fingers at me. They would do a thing. She would pay. She did not buy a ticket. She did not buy a ticket. She did not have a ticket. She can tell that she can talk without opening her mouth, that she can talk too loud without opening her mouth. She did not have a ticket at the show. She did not have an answer to the prob, that she would talk with her mouth closed. Too loud, she'd talk without her mouth. She did not have a ticket. She did not have a show. For talking with her mouth, with her mouth closed, with her mouth closed, 'cause she stayed home alone and phoned. She phoned alone in her home of phones. Hello. Did you go to the show? No, 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 no. Why didn't you go to the show? I would be there. I would have been there all day long to go to the show. I would have gone to the show. Why didn't you go to the show? I would have gone to the show. I don't care if you like it. I just said if you like it. What a reason for no show. Reasons like that means you don't go to the show. You don't go to the show. What do you do all day, all alone?